Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel and the Shopify theme development series. In our last video, we have gone through the tools that required to run the theme in our local machine. Today, we will discuss about the Shopify cheat sheet. We will cover the basic of liquids, the foundation of every Shopify theme. So let's dive in. In Google, search for Shopify cheat sheet. Shopify had created a cheat sheet with all the basics knowledge so that anyone can go in there and learn necessary things. So select the first link and here is the Shopify cheat sheet. It is an official document for the Shopify theme developers so that they can come and search for anything they want to know or any syntax they want to learn or use in their theme development. So today I have decided go through the basics. So you can see in the Shopify cheat sheet they have 4 categories. One is basic, tags, filters and objects. I will cover these 4 topics in 4 different videos. Today we will discuss about the basics of the Shopify Liquid. At first we have handles. The handle is used to access the attributes of a liquid object. Let's go to our theme shopify.com. Let's check one products in here. So this is the first product on our Shopify store. Scroll down, you can see the search engine listing. Click edit. You can see the URL handle for this specific product. That means if you go in this product page using this handle, they will give you the product object so that you can get the attributes of the specific object, right? We know what is a handle and how are my handle created. Basically, if you create your first product as suppose shirt, the handle will be products slash shirt. After that, if you created the same product twice, then the URL handle will be incremented like shirt 1. And if you keep goes on, your handle will be automatically incremented like shirt 2, shirt 3, shirt 4 and goes on. That's how your handle will be created. Let's check out the operators. We have decided in one of our previous videos what operators types are those. Let's dive in to know more details. It's more like a JavaScript. In JavaScript, to check the object type and object value, we use 3 equals. For liquid, we will be use 2 equals. For not equals, in JavaScript, we will use exclamatory double equals. For liquid, we will use only single equal. For greater than or for less than value is as usual like JavaScript, greater equals, less equals. For or conditions, we will use a double filter in JavaScript, and in this case in liquid we will use or for and condition A and D. And in JavaScript we have includes. In Shopify Liquid we have contains. We can check if a product title contains pack. That's how our operator works in Shopify Liquid. We have 6 types in Shopify Liquid. One is strings, common in JavaScript, numbers, booleans, true, false. nil, that means no value is assigned to that variable or nothing. We have arrays. The arrays is not in a JSON format, so Shopify Liquid have their own array system. We can create or push anything in our Shopify Liquid array. We will know when we will start working in our theme development. An empty drop. An empty drop object is returned whenever you try to access a non-existing object. Suppose you have created a product that is in draft mode, so you can't access its data in the product page using the product object. That's when you will get the empty drop. So Shopify Liquid also have some truthy and falsy value. What is truthy? Truthy means if it has some values, like it can be a string, it can be number, it have booleans values, it will be always truthy. Even if it is an array, then it will return you the true value. What is falsy? If it returns a nil or it will returns an empty drop, then you will get the falsy value. So to control the white space in the Shopify Liquid, we can use this syntax. Before we have learned, we have two syntaxes. One is double curly braces and another one is curly with a percentage sign. We have another syntax to delete the empty space before and after content. If you want to do that, you just have to use the hyphen before and after the variables. Suppose in here we have assigning a variable that is tomato. As we have used the hyphens in here, there will be no spaces in here. It will show only the tomato. And that's a quick look at the basics from the Shopify Cheat Sheet. In the next video, we will go over tags and how they give structure and logic to our theme. If this is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning with me. That's all for today. Thank you, everyone.